Yes, yes. It's your girl again. To go in the building. Bimpe Akinlayo. Welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you are a new member in the family. If you're just coming to my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification sign beside the subscription button, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. So as we all know that it's about to be summer is coming, and what does that mean? We are going to be seeing so many fleas, bugs, flies, mosquitoes, insects, and all of those stuff around, which is going to what affect our plans and activities for summer. So your girl right here is here to tell you or to inform you how to make use of essential oil blends to repel insects, bugs, flies, and mosquito. Yes, mosquitoes, so you can enjoy your summer. All right, then let's dive into the video real quick. All right, fam, as we know, mosquito can be painful and itchy, but guess what, fam? I've got some easy preventive measures with natural insecticides qualities that you can safely use at home, especially us, we that have infants and children in the house. It is safe to use instead of using all those ash insecticides over the counter that we buy with strong smell, that they use some kind of chemicals that we don't even know to create it or to produce it, that are not healthy if inhaled by children, or in fact even adults. It can be irritating to the skin. So let me gist you, or let me encourage you, or let me inform you on how to make use of essential oils to repel flies, insects, bugs, and mosquitoes, so you can enjoy your summer. Okay? Something. Did you know that essential oil contains some ingredients that helps repel insects and mosquitoes? In case you don't know, I am telling you now. All right, then let me tell you some essential oils that are good to repel bugs. 1. Cedarwood essential oil. 2. Peppermint essential oil. 3. Rosemary essential oil. 4. Orange essential oil. 5. Vetiver essential oil. These oils right here are very good to repel bugs. You can use them together or you can use them separately. I also have some essential oils that you can use to repel mosquitoes. 1. Eucalyptus essential oil. Did I pronounce that right? I will be spelling it. Please help my pronunciation. Eucalyptus essential oil, tea tree oil, lemongrass oil, peppermint essential oil, and last and not the least, citronella essential oil. Yes, these essential oils are very important and are very effective and safe to use, and it's also going to give you a nice scent in your house or wherever you spray it. It is very, very good. It smells good. All right, let me take you to the DIY on how to make your essential oil spray to repel mosquitoes and some flies and some fleas and some bugs and all those you stuff. All right, let's jump into the DIY real quick. So how to DIY an homemade bug spray and natural mosquito repellent. All you need is your measuring spoon. You can also use your measuring spoon, which is a teaspoon. Yes, all you need is a teaspoon. All you need to make this DIY, your measuring spoon, 1 teaspoon. Your spray bottle. In case you don't know what a spray bottle is, I'm going to be showing you what a spray bottle is. Yes, this is a spray bottle. What I have here, this one is a mixture of my conditioner and water that I spray on my hair, on my wigs, the one that needs to be sprayed. This is what I use this for. So this is an example of a spray bottle, and all you need is a spray bottle, and you will be putting your water depending on the type of spray bottle you have. The quantity will determine the quantity of water you are going to put in your bottle. Like this bottle is long, I can put this much water in it, or this much water in it, and add 1 tablespoon of all these essential oils I am going to be listing right now in the bottle. So number 1, you're going to be putting, for each essential oil that I mentioned, you're going to be putting a teaspoon of each, which are 1 eucalyptus. I said eucalyptus. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, but whatever it is, you guys know what I'm talking about. Or if you don't know, I'll be leaving pictures of all the essential oils I mentioned. So 1 eucalyptus essential oil, cedarwood essential oil, lavender essential oil, citronella essential oil, rosemary essential oil, lemongrass essential oil. That is what you will be putting in your spray bottle that has water in it. And when you're done putting all the oils in this in the spray bottle, cover it, shake it together, and spray it. You can spray it on the floor, on your rug, on your chair, in your kitchen, on the floor of your kitchen, outside of your house, on the floor, on the towards entrance of your house, on the sprayed on the doorpost, your windows, on the floor, in your trash can, you know, in your bathroom, you know, all those corners and all those places where all these insects come from. Spray them right there, and you'll be surprised about the results you will get. You'll be surprised of the results you're going to get. Trust me, this is not just blabbing. This is very, very effective, and it is working. All right guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, leave a heart for me at the comment section. Yes, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell beside the subscription button, and share my video to the world. Let the world know about your girl. Thank you, and thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.